What if we found the true identity of elixir? Elixir is a universal substance in the games Clash Royale and Clash of Clans. For generations, people have wondered, what is it? Is it water? Is it a form of life essence? Is it drugs? Well, today we're finding the answer. First, we'll address what properties it has. Elixir is what lets you put troops onto the battlefield in Clash Royale. It makes them capable of going onto the battlefield. Elixir can be gained through things like elixir collectors, which make you elixir. It can also be gained when you kill elixir golems. Lumberjack also holds a can of elixir, which works the same as rage. Now I believe that rage is the same as elixir, so that means that the rage spell is just a bottle of elixir. Now we believe elixir is a combination. We think that elixir is oil and steroids combined. First, let us explain why it's partially steroids. We think that regular troops aren't strong enough to go in the battlefield. We think that each troop needs something to make them stronger and capable of fighting. Now each card has an elixir cost, which we think is the amount of elixir it costs for them to be at peak fighting condition, except for their evolutions, of course. So the elixir gives them strength and makes them strong enough to fight. You know what else makes people stronger? Steroids. So therefore elixir is partially steroids. Now onto the oil part. Elixir is mostly a kind of oil. We think that the elixir is harnessed from the ground and give you a constant flow. Now the only problem with that is how the 2x elixir and 3x elixir modes happen. We're thinking that the amount of elixir flowing through pipes in the ground is controlled by the companies and giant forces that force us to fight others and destroy their towers. They influence how much elixir is flowing through pipes. Now one thing that is complicated is the elixir collector. We think elixir collector drills into the pipes and takes elixir. Elixir collectors are also in Clash of Clans. Now elixir collectors can't spawn in your first hand because a build-up surplus of elixir is given at the beginning and there wouldn't be much elixir for the collector to take. We also believe that elixir is a kind of oil because of an old trailer. In the trailer there was a meteor with purple crystals. Now we believe that is crystallized elixir. That means that elixir is in space. Now oil can be found on both the moon and in asteroids, which is basically the same build as a meteor. That further proves that elixir is a combination of oil and steroids. We still are attempting to figure out what the elixir golems. We think that the elixir golem is so slow in the game because he is feeling the after effects of so much elixir or steroids. Actually, this combination feels like an extremely likely scenario. It powers troops for battle, makes them stronger and work harder with the rage bottles, and it is constantly flowing. The only question we have left is who is the big company or corporation running this underground battle scam. Thanks for watching. Bye.